Have you stopped wearing short dresses and sleeveless shirts because dark elbows and knees make you feel conscious? Do your elbows and knees look dark and scuffy? Does you find it embarrassing to wear short dresses or anything that shows off your knees? Does having dark kneecaps and elbows make you conscious and leave you feeling uncertain about your appearance? You miss wearing your favorite clothes, don't you? Don't worry, you have come to the right place looking for the solution. I have thoroughly researched and found the best possible way to remove your dark knees and dark elbows. So keep watching this video until the end if you want to wear those short dresses which you have bought but haven't worn it soon. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell icon to get the further notification of other videos. Remember, I post each and every new video every week. If you like this video, please hit that like button and further comment down below. I have created a recent Facebook page of this channel. You can also go and follow me there. You can also follow me on my Instagram account, that is andrila.majumdar, for more updates. As usual, you can also visit my storefront of Amazon. I will provide the link in the description below. As you can see, this is a screen recording from my storefront. So please hurry and order for you something from this storefront. Accumulation of dead skin cells, friction, extensive exposure to sun, or a hormonal imbalance can become the cause of dark knees and elbows. These parts of our body do not contain any oil glands, and it is hence important to protect them from dryness through proper care and hygiene. Take 1 pack Eno lemon flavor. Keep in mind, Eno is very effective for instant fairness. So cut it and pour it in a small bowl. Remember, 1 pack is enough. If you have large bottle, then take only 1 tablespoon. The next thing is aloe vera gel. It is available in all stores of market and also available online. Aloe vera gel is very effective in reducing skin pigmentation and darkness. So take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. Little bit. As soon as you mix both of them, you will notice bubbles are coming out due to reaction. Now mix thoroughly until and unless the gas bubbles reduces to normal. So keep mixing. As you can see, the gas bubbles almost reduced to normal. Then we have to take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil too reduces the dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and pigmentation effectively. So take this and mix with the previously made mixture thoroughly. And now the last ingredient is Colgate. Add this amount of Colgate to the mixture. This is enough. Mix the paste thoroughly until it becomes a cream-like formula. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Then you are just ready. So finally, you will finish up like this. Now apply this paste in the dark areas and cover the area completely and massage with this cream. Leave it for drying. It is important to note that don't use this paste on your face. You can use it in the dark elbows, dark knees, neck, or any other places, just like this. Now take an old toothbrush or rub it, which will remove the dead skin cells. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will rinse it with water, okay? So you will notice the difference from the first usage only. Use it daily and within 1 week you will notice the difference. If you are not comfortable with a toothbrush, you can also use a pumice stone to remove the dead skin cells, okay? It works like magic, you know. So I will see you after rinsing my hand. So that's all for today's video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.